welcome to holiday season vlog 2, and today is our oath taking day. And for my batch, it's actually started a while ago, which is 8 a.m. So just flashback for that. So let's go!
Mag-oath taking natin. Kaya na talaga siya kahit na registered na sa kalendar. Mag-oath taking na lang siya dito.
Our
Racing. Ay, Pasko! Embracing the call. Yayakapin. Kasi na kayo na dapat ingatan.
Ice Raven Marion Demon Langit
Your school
of Our Lady of Fatima University, Valenzuela.
hereby solemnly swear
Hereby solemnly
Second Chair of the Board, Honorable Leila.
So, ayun mo na ganun lang. Ang lala nila. Ito experience. Hello, kakauwi ko lang galing oath taking ngayon. And after namin kumain sa MOA, it's already 3:09 PM na ngayon. And a while ago, habang nasa oath taking venue kami, my friend gave this. So let's unbox this today. Actually, yung nakaraang pag-unbox ko din nung parang pagkain, galing din yun sa kanya. And this one is from the same person. So, let's unbox this because I'm curious. Tapos may ano siya dyan. Ayan yun. Pangalan ko yun actually. May codes siya dyan. Okay. Pag nahila mo na pala to, may secret na essence sa loob. Ang kuno yung magkano, no? Pa? Eh. So, let me just pull this one kasi parang naka-tape siya. I'm planning to keep this one. And then, this one too. Ang effort ng bebe girl nyo. Thank you. I mean, nag-thank you din naman ako sa kanya. Paano ba ito buksan? Ayoko talaga nagbubukas ng ganito kasi ayoko nasisira pero wala tayong choice. It's a book. It says, it's a book. Hey, it's a book. Ayan yung ano niya, libro. Ang cute. May bookworm kasi yun siya eh. Hilig yun magbasa-basa. It's a book recommendation from her, from Kulenhover. Ooh. Since wala din naman ako magawa dito sa bahay, I'm planning to read this week. So, ayun lang yung laman ng ano, kasama yung dalawang ano. Planning to put this in. Thank you and see you on the next holiday season vlog. Bye-bye!